Hi guys, I was late. I almost late to make a video. Ha ha ha! Video is live. I want to marinate the chicken. My coriander powder now. My cumin powder. My chili powder. My paprika powder. My pepper powder pa. Ang daming ano na to. Ang lasa nito. Sa nurse ko lang siya ang tawag dito? For weight loss yan. Kasi mga diet. Diet tayo guys today. So, black pepper. Garlic. Yan. Ayan. So, garlic. Lemon. Ayan, i-mix natin siya sa lemon. Kunti lang yung asin na nilagay ko guys. Kasi napaka-allergic namin sa asin. So, ayan, hiwa-hiwain pala natin ito para lumasa. Lemon. Ah! Ayan, sige, simutin ang katas. Tapos ang katas niya. Parang konti lang to. Ay, may ano pa pala. Yun. What is that? Ginger powder. No, this is not. I need. I just saw it. Ginger powder. Actually, the video I watched, they're using garlic powder, ginger powder, but I'm using fresh garlic. I have ginger and garlic paste, but I want to use fresh actually. Fresh is fresh. Oil. Only little oil. Yeah. So let me put a little more. So when we fry, we don't need to put oil. Yeah, it's actually I'm searching how to cook without oil. How can you cook the food without oil? Actually, yeah. Yeah, yummy. It looks yummy, na. Ano pa yun? Pepper, lemon, chili powder. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's enough. So let me try to cut this. Like this. Ilubog. Para lumasa. Wow. Diba? Ayan. So, then, yan. Ang liit lang ng aking lagayan. So, lilipat natin siya sa malaki. Ang mainit. Lilipat natin siya sa dito. Yan. So, we don't need to, when we cook later, we don't need to put oil anymore. Yeah. It looks so yummy. Yeah, it's yummy. It's still uncooked, but it's already yummy. Okay. So, just like that. Just like this. Just like that. Okay. So yummy looking. Wow. It's already oily actually, so you don't need to put oil later when we cook it. Really. It's really don't need cook oil because I'm cooking always for weight loss, for diet people. Yeah. So yummy. So now we just have to cover this, okay? So we will marinate this one for 30 or 1 hour, guys. We just go on another work. So let's see you later. Ito na guys yung ating binabad. I think it's more than 1 hour. It's more than 1 hour. It's already hot. Yeah. It's so nice. It looks so nice. Yeah, all the ingredients is going inside in this. See? See, it's already oily. So as I say before, guys, I put little more olive oil. So we don't need to put oil in the pan now. I think the pan is already hot. So let's do to dry and fry and fry. This is the first one. This one maybe. Okay, let's do it now. Let's go. So that's already hot. See? It's non-sticky pan. So we don't need to put oil. There's nothing oil, okay? No oil. Already oil. There's nothing oil in the pot, I mean, but this is oily. Actually, you know, the ginger powder, the garlic powder, if you make marinate, it's become oily. I don't know actually. Yeah. So, just little slow the fire. Oh wow. You see the colors already. So how it will be cooked inside? We need to cover because it's only little oil, so we need to cover it like this, so it will become soft the chicken. So just little fire also. So let's get it back after 5 minutes. Slow fire. Okay. Habang nagluluto si manok, habang nagpapalambot tayo, alam nyo na, our time is good. So, while cooking, we're cutting. Ito na mga hinugasan ko. Kailangan nito manipis na manipis ba? I think it's done. Enough. Tigas na ito eh. Tayo na natin to kasi we don't have time. Nakat na natin yung apple. May green apple pa. Tapos, yan, coriander and the Greek leaves. Oh, wow, nice color. Very nice color. So now we will check the chicken. You know, we see it's coming the water. Oh wow. Tagilid-tagilid ko siya, guys. I'm putting upside down. Upside down. And another side, other side, the pan. So it become more tasty with the sauce, with the chicken sauce, with all the garlic. Ayan. So nice. This is so tasty. Now we don't need to put cover. It's already cooked. So it's just like that. Now we're going to make what do I call this one? Dressing. Salad dressing. So we need to make a sauce now. Ating salad. So, mix na natin siya. Natin ng konti. Konti na lang yung oras natin, guys. Kaya, nagmamadali ng lola. Ayan, i-mix na natin siya dito. Hala na. Lagyan natin ng konting asin. No salt. Ayan. So nice color. Ang laki ng kamay na istrapa. Ayan. Ang cute ng salad, guys. Ang cute ng kulay. Tapos mix natin yung apple. At saka coriander leaf. Coriander leaf at saka Greek. Ayun. Greek ng tawag dito. Ayan. Tapos lagay natin yung apple. Ayan. Yung video ko, guys, malabo. Kasi yung camera pa obrahin. Ayan, ang cute ng kulay ng aking salad. Tapos lagyan natin yung kalahati sa kalahating sauce para kumunti. Lumasa ng konti. Tapos yung iba mamaya na. Ipatong natin sa chicken. Ayan. Ba ito yung brown ko? Ito nga. Maingay. Ingay. Ayan. Dami-daming nilabas. Ayan. So, okay na yan siguro. Tapos mamaya ipatong natin yung iba. Ang sarap niya, guys. Kalasa siya nung yung nasa spinach. Char. Yeah. Kasi may avocado kasi siya. Yun ang pinaka nakakasarap lalo, yung may avocado, may apple, may green apple. Yan, may konting sauce pa. Tapos, pamaya-maya, hindi ko sure kung makuha na ko pa ng video kasi darating na si Adru. So, okay na yan siya. Okay na yan siya. Ipapatong na lang natin to si chicken dyan sa ibabaw. So, yan. Picture na lang natin mamaya. So, see you guys. Thank you.